Yo, welcome back to the channel. As you all know, I'm good at DIYs, do it yourself projects. So this is not a project, but just an adjustment to my food flask. You know what? This is exactly what is having the problem here. As you can see, you can just put it off and everything is off. That's not supposed to be. It's supposed to seal it, not allowing any air to go inside. And when you want to you feel like need some air to release the pressure before I open it, then you press it, bam, and you're good to go. But now it's separating. So what I'll show you what I want to do with this. So this got some spring here and this. So this is how it works. It's locked inside here, as you can see. So when you press it with this cover, the design is just to hold the spring like this. It goes inside, then come back. So I'm going to show you after I did it how it works. So these are just fell off sometimes, and I found out that this spring is way too long for this thing, so the pressure is too much. That's what I think, and I cut off this spring. So you can see it very well. You see there's a difference. This is the end of the spring, the other end is like it is continuous. So I cut it from this place just to reduce the pressure exerted by this button. So at the end, the result is that it still separates after I did that. So I'm kind of have to glue it together in order not to separate again. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. See, you can see very well there is a paper inside that. So there is a very deep hole inside that place. So I have to fill it up because of the adhesive I'm gonna use to bind it together. So I got this super glue. This super glue, as you can see, it's written in there, bond in seconds. So this is cyanoacrylates adhesive, as the name. You can use it for metal, plastic, wood, porcelain, glasses, paper, leather, and rubbers. It has so many functions, multiple functions. So this is just it. I'm gonna peel it off now in order to apply it. But first of all, after filling this, what I'm going to do is put it there, add as a adhesive very quickly, and I put this one inside, then stick it together like this. Bam! Everything is good to go. So, and I hold it for some time, like 10 seconds. Everything is glued together, and I'm good to go. So I'm confused here. It's as if it's ordinary air inside this sheet right here. This is gonna be a return job. What the fuck? Oh my god. I literally pressed through every. Oh shit. It got hard inside. So, oh my god. This thing is bad. Let me check the expiry date. I should have done that before. So the carton says Manufacture date March 2019. I don't know if you can see this. March 2019. Expiry date March 2022, which means it still got some years to go. I'm going to return this to where I bought it.
A few moments later.
Hey, welcome back. Do you know why I got this product in the first place? I was not patient. Guys, you gotta be patient in anything you are going to be doing, because I know this as flaws. Anytime I want to buy this type of product, I used to check this expiring date. If it reaches the expiring date, don't doubt it. But this one I don't even check, but it's still intact. Still yet, all the glue has become hardened inside. See, I can feel it. So now, just because I wasn't patient, I went to the store where I want to buy this other product. I have my trust in this one, all the way from Taiwan. You are good, made in Taiwan. Okay, written boldly here. So I went to the store to buy this where I'm gonna see this type of product. They are closed. I went the second time, they are closed. Just feel like let me just buy this less expensive product. At least it's gonna do the job for me. But now see what I got in return. You see, this self person. Just remove this and I'm good to go. We are good. So back to our so I just put this one, this, then glue it together. That's all I'm gonna do today. So let me just put this side here. Gotta be fast, guys. This thing burns very quickly. So put this like this, stick it in there, and then this. I have to hold it for some period of time. Hold this for some seconds. If everything is glued together, we're good to go. So guys, everything is stick together right now, so you can see no popping out. And this is not even rotating. So I would like you to press that subscribe button if you have not done before down below, and like this video to thumb up for this video. Then turn on your notification bell if you haven't, to see the next one. There are so many people out there who can do more than this. Just to inspire yourself, just know you can do it. Don't have to call anybody. This alone can make all these flags useless, because if this thing gets lost, what's the point of keeping your food warm when there is an escaping point where all the heat can pass through? So just help me like this video, subscribe if you have not done before, then I'll see you in the next one.